Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Maleny on the Sunshine Coast.
I'm looking forward to doing some of the walks in the area. Maleny is a small town in the Blackall Ranges, 95 kilometres north of Brisbane. It is surrounded by rolling hills, dairy farms and rainforests and has stunning views over the Glasshouse Mountains.
This quaint little town in the Sunshine Coast hinterland is a popular day trip and holiday destination. If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
In today's video, we will show you the highlights of our recent visit to Maleny. We explored the town centre, including the Maleny Chocolate Shop and Maleny Food Co. We discovered the Maleny Cheese Factory, Gardners Falls and Maleny Botanic Gardens, and Birdworld. We wandered through the Mary Cairncross Scenic Reserve, enjoyed the views from Gerrard's lookout, and looked for platypus on the Maleny Walk. We also visited Baroon Pocket Dam and took a short walk to the Obi Obi Creek.
The town centre has a great selection of cafes, bookshops, boutiques and other interesting shops to browse in.
You'll find the Maleny Chocolate Shop behind the main street down the Rainforest Plaza stairs. You can watch the chocolates being made, sample some chocolate and choose from the fantastic range of delicious handmade chocolates. From rich dark chocolates infused with native Australian ingredients to creamy milk chocolates with honeycomb or caramel, Maleny chocolate has something for everyone.
In the middle of Maple Street, you will find Maleny Food Co, an artesian food producer with award-winning gelato, delicious coffee, a well-stocked fromagerie full of gourmet cheeses and other local produce from around the region.
Located 5 kilometres from Maleny, the Maleny Cheese Factory makes delicious cheese and yoghurt from locally sourced, high-quality milk from the lush Hinterland pastures. At the cheese factory you can see where the cheese is made, purchase cheese and local produce, indulge in a cheese platter, enjoy coffee and cake from the cafe and relax on the cow couch.
Gardners Falls is a lovely waterfall and swimming hole located 5 kilometres from Maleny at the end of Obi Lane South. An easy 300-metre walk through the lush natural forest leads to 2 small waterfalls and waterholes along the Obi Obi Creek. Gardners Falls cascades 5 metres over a rocky ledge into a large waterhole. The waterhole is quite deep and is a popular swimming spot for locals and visitors alike.
Maleny Botanic Gardens and Birdworld is a stunning privately owned garden with huge aviaries full of local and exotic birds. It is located on the outskirts of Maleny and is open daily from 9 AM till 4:30 PM. There is an entrance fee to visit the gardens and to tour the aviaries. To visit the aviaries you need to book an interactive guided tour. Tours go for approximately 50 minutes and are available throughout the day.
With stunning views over the iconic Glasshouse Mountains, this unique privately owned garden spans over 23 acres and is surrounded by magnificent rainforests.
You can feed the miniature animals with specifically prepared food from the gift shop. The Mary Cairncross Scenic Reserve is 55 hectares of subtropical rainforest with diverse animal and plant life with stunning views over the Glasshouse Mountains. You can learn about the rainforest and its inhabitants in the Discovery Centre, which has informative and interactive displays. We then wandered along the rainforest track, enjoying the peace and tranquility. This flat walking track through the rainforest combines boardwalks, well-formed dirt tracks and bridges. Along the walk we saw towering trees, a stunning selection of fungi and some paddy melons. We then enjoyed coffee and scones in the cafe with stunning views over the Glasshouse Mountains.
Gerrard's Lookout is 9 kilometres from Maleny along the Maleny-Montville Road on the Blackall Range. It has car parking area and a picnic shelter, and the views are stunning, looking east towards the coast. A silver plaque shows the direction and distances to areas including Noosa, Bribie Island and Mooloolaba. There is also a collection of padlocks attached to the fence.
The Maleny Trail starts at the showgrounds and we wandered 600 metres along the Obi Obi Trail into Maleny. Reading the information boards and admiring the giant trees along the way. We crossed the road and continued on the trail from the boardwalk to the platypus viewing platform. This section is 900 metres long and passes by the Peace in the Trees sculptures. The Peace in the Trees sculptures are a lovely collection of sandstone sculptures by artists that explore different aspects of peace. We then stopped at the platypus viewing platform. Unfortunately, we didn't see a platypus, but we did see some turtles.
Baroon Pocket Dam is between Montville and Maleny and was built across Obi Obi Creek. The dam supplies water to the Sunshine Coast area, and when it's full it holds 61,000 megalitres of water. The northern side recreational day use area has picnic huts, barbecues, toilets and a swimming area. From this area we enjoyed a short walk down to Obi Obi Creek.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.